Number 1 on the list is the Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro Series LT riding lawn tractor. It's known for an impressive performance because of its mighty 18 horsepower Kohler 5400 series engine, which is capable of delivering continuous or multiple large mows. The dependable hydrostatic transmission provides streamlined operation, eliminating gear shifting and pedal pushing. It also features a rubberized, soft-touch, comfort grip steering wheel that offers responsive, controlled handling. This product comes with an automatic-style 16-inch turning radius that provides precision control, allowing you to maneuver smoothly around obstacles or straightaways. The 42-inch cutting deck comes with a stamped blade and an ever-engaged PTO, or power takeoff, that allows you to make the perfect cut. The extra-large base with open, high back seat is designed to provide ultimate elevated back support, while the 12 cutting height options help you find the perfect position. For a more consistent mowing operation, the push-button cruise control lets you sustain the desired speed. The highly efficient LED headlights work well in all weather conditions. To resist wear and tear, it utilizes an innovative E-coat corrosion defense system. The 3-gallon fuel tank has a sight gauge that makes it easy to see when it needs to be refilled. To remove debris and grass from under the deck, a Quick Connect deck wash system brings high-pressure water for easy cleaning. It's covered with a 3-year limited warranty and a 5-year chassis and front axle warranty.